Discover a world of fresh knowledge with the Did You Know tile on the Punditas AI Dashboard, your gateway to a dynamic learning experience. This tile brings you the latest video tutorials from popular platforms like YouTube, Vimeo, Learning Connector, and more, providing a curated selection of content just for you. The Punditas AI Dashboard consists of a set of configurable tiles including Did You Know tile as presented in the last few seconds. Each tile on the dashboard presents unique perspectives and stories about enterprise products like PTC Creo, Windchill, ThingWorx, Onshape, SolidWorks etc. Using advanced AI and machine learning algorithms, it adapts to your style and preferences. Punditas is an AI-powered platform revolutionizing the way users train, adopt, and excel with enterprise software like PTC Creo Parametric. By leveraging artificial intelligence and machine learning, Punditas adapts to user preferences, learns individual needs, and delivers what truly matters, transforming the software experience like never before. The Did You Know tile in Punditas AI for PTC Creo offers fresh, relevant tutorials from platforms like YouTube, Vimeo, Learning Connector, etc. It provides up-to-date content tailored to your area of interest, whether you're a beginner or an expert. The tile automatically refreshes with new tutorials each time you visit the Punditas AI dashboard, ensuring a dynamic learning experience. You can also manually reload the dashboard for even more fresh content, making it a valuable tool for continuous learning and skill enhancement in PTC Creo. With content tailored to your interests, the Did You Know tile intelligently presents relevant tutorials based on your specific area of expertise. The Did You Know tile helps engineers review the right way of doing things as designed by PTC. It helps users learn a new tip, trick, or technique on a continuous basis. The tile presents help articles chosen specifically for the product relevant to the user. With fresh and randomized data loaded each time, the Did You Know tile ensures you always discover something new. Every time you visit the dashboard, the tile surprises you with a fresh set of video tutorials, ensuring a continuously engaging and evolving learning experience. Take control of your learning by manually refreshing the Did You Know tile. With just a reload of the dashboard, you can access a new stream of relevant content. You can use Did You Know tile directly within PTC Creo Parametric. The Did You Know tile in Punditas AI for PTC Creo offers fresh and relevant video tutorials from popular platforms like YouTube and Vimeo, tailored to your interests. With automatic updates and manual refresh options, it ensures a dynamic, personalized learning journey, empowering users to expand their skills and stay ahead. For more information, connect with us on LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter, or email us at contact@punditas.com.